Hello guys, welcome to the channel. We are driving through Lauterbrunnen Valley and it is raining a lot today. Lauterbrunnen Valley has 72 waterfalls. One of them is running down within the mountain and you can literally walk into the mountain and around this waterfall. It is called the Trummelbach Falls. In German language it is called trummelbachfalls. This waterfall is so spectacular that we didn't want to miss it. On our way we already passed some beautiful spots of the valley. Once arrived you can choose to take the elevator that will bring you up into the mountain tunnel, and from there you can then descend and stop at the different points where you spot the deafening power of the waterfall. We decided to take the stairs and enjoy the falls all the way up and then back down again. You are on the different staircases. You can look at some points over the Lauterbrunnen Valley and catch some of the other waterfalls in the neighborhood. The Swiss engineers built several stairways in the rocks and mountain walls, so that visitors can walk around the waterfall and see the cavern and special shapes of the walls and enjoy the most of it. There are walkways built in the rocks and you have a total of 12 view platforms to experience the most of the whole tour around and in this extraordinary waterfall. Most of the carved rocks are a natural phenomenon by the power of the water, but here and there the engineers had to carve extra ways and tunnels to make it possible to walk through the mountain to the next viewpoints. They even added some lights at some levels, so that it gives a nice colored effect to the whole scene. Make sure to take a jacket with you, cause sometimes the hydropower is so huge that you can get a shower at some places. You can clearly see how the water has sculpted the mountain and made these beautiful, exceptional rock formations over the span of some thousands of years by hitting these walls 24 hours a day. The water is mainly coming from the glaciers of the Jungfrau region mountains. On a rainy day there can pass as many as 200,000 liters per second through these carved rocks. Take your time to enjoy the most of these caves and the nice views over the valley.